In this video, I will show you how to use FastMoss for TikTok. So FastMoss is the best TikTok ad spy tool that will basically help you find the best winning products for TikTok. So if you want to sell on TikTok or advertise on TikTok, then here is how you can use FastMoss and how you can really get the most out of this amazing software. So here in the dashboard, you will see that I'm currently in the United States data, but you can pick any of these countries right here. Now, since I want to sell in the US, I'll just set it to the United States. Now, currently I am on the Pro plan, so everything you will see is what you get with the Pro plan. Now, first what I want to go over is these sections right here. So you have the find product section, find creators, find shops, find lives, and find ads. So then under each of these you have three different sections. So for example, under the find products, you have top selling TikTok products, most promoted by creators, high commission products. And then under the find ad section, for example, you have e-commerce ads with the highest impressions, you have the app ads with the highest engagements, and the game ads with the highest likes. Now, for example, I will go to the top selling TikTok products right here, since that is probably what you're going to be using this for. Now, at this current moment, and this may be different when you're watching this, in the top selling products on the daily, you will see right here that rank number 1 is this product right here. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but over 2.7 million have been sold, which is an insane amount. Now today 669 of them have been sold, so that's a revenue of 10k just today. Now this product has done a total revenue of $18.5 million. Now this one, a 15-day cleanse, is some kind of a supplement, and this has also been sold 1.7 million times. So here you can just find some pretty insane products that are currently selling very well. Now you can also go to weekly and monthly so that you can find products that have been doing well for a longer period. Now here you can also filter by a product category. For example, if I click sports and outdoor, then you will find a bunch of products that have to do with sports and outdoor. For example, this rechargeable headlamp. Now what you can do is just click on any of these stores and then it will take you to their store and you can see even more about this store. For example, the number of products they have, you can see their shop rating, the shop units that have been sold, how many TikTok accounts are operated by this store, the total revenue that this store has done, and the shop category ranking. Now you also see this graph where you can see how they are doing, and for example, if I set it to last 180 days, then I can see it on a longer period. For example, here on the 30th of December, they did nearly 25k in revenue in one day. So this way you can find their trends, see if they are selling very well right now, or if they are maybe not selling that well. Now under the shop section, you can also go to shop rank and then you will find the best shops on the daily, weekly and monthly, and you can also again filter by the categories. Then in the ads section, you can find the best ads, so you can do an ad search, so you can filter by everything you see right here. You can filter by hot advertisers. Under videos, you can go, for example, to popular video to find videos that are very popular. And then if you want to specifically find products to sell, then here under e-commerce videos, you can go and turn this on. So now you will see videos that are popular that are actually e-commerce videos. So these two right here are not even ads, because you can see if it is an ad, you will see the ad right here. So then you can just check out those videos, the promoted product. You can see if this is something that you would like to sell, etc. So there are so many features here to actually check out. You can search for creators, go by growth rank, e-commerce creators, verified. Then in the product section, again, you can find top selling products. You can see new products, the most promoted products, e-commerce videos, etc. Then in live, you will see a live search where you can find lives where currently products are being sold very well. So in order to use FastMoss to find the best TikTok products, you can choose if you want to filter by product, by shop. There's a bunch of different ways that you can actually use this. For example, in the product, you can simply go by top selling and then you'll find top selling products right now. So usually in terms of trials, you can see they offer the basic plan for $1 for 7 days, the pro plan for $9 for 7 days, and the team plan for $19 and for 7 days. Now I do have a special deal for you. If you click on the link down in the description, it will take you to this page right here. So what you want to do is click on the link down in the description, then just go and create or sign into your account. That's completely free. And then you will see, welcome to FastMoss. You have received a free trial of 15 days for the pro plan. In the United States, it says user, but this is from my affiliate link. So I will earn a commission if you do this. But now you can see instead of $9 for 7 days on the pro plan, You will now get access to 15 days of the Pro plan completely for free. So just go and click on claim in order to claim this free trial of 15 days. Now I do also have something else for you that will get you a further discount. If you go to pricing and just select the pricing package you want, for example, if the basic plan is enough for you, which is $29 for the first month, then just click subscribe now. And then here for the referrer code, enter the code DA1500. Now if you sign up through the link in the description, this will be applied automatically, but then you will basically just get a nice little extra discount. So in this case it is $3, but if you get a more expensive plan, for example, you get team plan with 5 sub accounts, just as an example, which is pretty expensive, but you will see that now you get a bigger discount of $63. So basically you will get a 10% discount if you sign up through the link down in the description. So to claim the 15-day extended free trial of the Pro plan and to get a 10% discount, just gonna sign up to FastMoss using the link down in the description. If this FastMoss TikTok tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.